In this video, we're going to look at some basic Webspace features. Webspace is a document and message management system that allows to keep all communication and documents in one convenient online location. First, you receive an email containing your username, password, and link to the website. So clicking on this link will open up the website, and all you have to do is to enter your username and password. Then click login or hit enter. The very first screen you see is your inbox. Inbox contains all messages that we call web notes, notifications, RFIs, and other contracts. You can click reply, reply to all, forward, and file buttons. Pretty much the same way as you do with Outlook. If you're part of multiple projects, then select the project by clicking Project Logon button, and then select the project you want to log on to. Once you're in, the project name will appear on the top left corner, above the yellow stripe. Everything is colored on the Webspace. For example, the project section is colored blue. This is normally for users and companies. This is where you can find other users' details. Messages section is yellow. Documents is orange. And contract section is green. To create a new message, you have to click New Message button on the top right corner, which will open up another box where you can select To, and then tick check boxes next to the people you want to send the message to. Close, then give it a subject. If you want to attach a document, then click New Attachment, choose File, and then browse to the file you want to attach. And then click Send button. Once the web note is sent, other people will receive notification into their Outlook saying that they have a new web note on the Webspace. The new message will flash with a yellow circle. When you reply to it, it goes into filing folder. For example, we click reply, send, and it disappears from the inbox and goes into filing. Everything is threaded, so when you click on the actual message, which is underlined, you can see the whole conversation related to this particular subject. So you can come back to every message, original and then reply. The same way as you would do on the Gmail, Hotmail, and other online email systems. The next page we'll look at is Documents. This is where all the drawings and documents are stored. Uploads and downloads are managed through this section as well. There are tabs that we call directories and also folders. So the tabs we call directory, and there are folders under them. To expand a folder, click on the blue plus sign, or if you want to expand everything, click the plus sign on the orange stripe. And this is where you see the actual drawings and other documents. To open a document, click an icon next to the document title. For example, if I click on the PDF icon here, it would download the document and open it. So if it's a PDF, it opens up within Acrobat. To download multiple documents, tick the checkboxes next to the document titles and then hit Mail Selection button. Once you hit Mail Selection, all the documents will be emailed to you into the Outlook, so into your email address, whether it's Outlook or other online email system. To upload a new document, click Add New or Revise button. Then select people who you want to notify, and they will appear on the right-hand side. And then type in the body of the message. Say drawing number 10. Then expand Upload a new document. Give it a name. 10. And the revision. It can be A, B, C, or it can be 1, 2, 3. It depends on what naming convention you have. Say it's a revision A, then select the status, which is for approval, construction, information, etc. It's fully customizable, that can be added more. Say for approval, and then there are two fields, view and download. View field is normally for simple documents like PDF, JPEG, Word, and other documents. Download is usually for AutoCAD files, other 3D files, and DWGs, etc. You can put two documents under one title. So basically you can put a drawing as PDF into the view section and DWG AutoCAD file into the download section. Say choose file, then we select the PDF drawing, then scroll down and hit upload button. Documents have been uploaded, and now we'll see that drawing that we just uploaded in here. If you want to open it, just click on the PDF icon and it will be open with Adobe Acrobat. If we want to revise existing drawing, again click Add New or Revise button, select people to notify the message, then expand Revise Existing Document and select the one that we just uploaded, drawing 10, and give it a next revision, which is B. For approval, information, or etc., and choose the file. So we select another file and hit upload button again. Then the document has been uploaded. So now we see that the Webspace shows the next revision, which is revision B. And if we click on the file, it always opens the latest revision that has been uploaded onto the Webspace. If you want to see all the revisions, we need to click on revision column, which shows us all the history of the revisions. Once the document has been uploaded, a new web note is sent to the involved parties, and they receive the notification into the Outlook saying that there is a new document upload. And all they have to do is click the link in this notification, which opens up the Webspace, and Then they see what document has been uploaded and which directory and which folder. The last section that we want to have a quick look at is a contract section. Contract section contains predefined forms like RFIs, DCR, DCI, VPR, variations, EOT, and etc. They are like standard messages, but in unified customizable form. For example, RFI. RFI is a request for information. RFI is made up of multiple messages with optional entries for cost and time. The basic RFI process is an RFI is initiated. So for that, click New RFI, and then select who you want to send it to, subject, the actual message, and you can send it to with the comments. The RFI is passed on to several people for comment, and then it's closed off with an answer provided. So we see that RFI, what we can do with it is send on to, which means reply or forward, add answer, accept as answer, or close. Also, other involved parties can do the comment. Say, if I want to add answer, then I can select whether the RFI is closed, or I can issue, say, design change request to this particular RFI, or variation price request to this RFI, and then send. Say, if I choose to select design change request will be issued relating to this RFI, I click send button. Now I can create new design change requests. Design change instruction is the actual instruction that is normally issued by the project manager after discussion on the design change request. The same way with a VPR, which is a variation price request. You can create new variation price request, then discuss it, and eventually the actual variation is issued onto this variation price request. Pretty much same way with a delay notice and extension of time. Usually all the contracts and messages, as well as document upload notification, you can find in inbox. If you see something flashing yellow circle, you know that it is a web node. If it's an orange triangle, then it means there was a document upload. So you can find it in the document section. If it's a green triangle, it means it's a VPR, DCR, or variation price request or other contract. If you want to learn more, there is a help button on the top right corner, which briefly describes the main features of the Webspace. Say, if you want to know how to create a new message, go to Messages section, and it explains you what the basic functions are. If you want to know how to upload a document, click on the Document Upload section and read through it, as well as RFI, DCR, VPR, etc. So keep in mind that the whole idea is to keep all communication and all documents related to the project in one centralized location. On the completion of the project, the full backup containing web notes, contracts, and documents will be given for you just for your records.